I'm Dirk Landau for BentTV News. For an update on Operation Crack Iraq's Back Part 2, let's go to General Tommy Franks live at Central Command, wherever the hell that is.
As you can see, we have the 3rd Infantry progressing from the south towards Baghdad and the 82nd Airborne Division coming from the north. We've also got the 2nd Brigade and 1st Infantry Division just west of Baghdad and the 101st Airborne Division flanking the eastern area. Now, we've got a fleet of liquor and tobacco trucks coming from the north, and we've got fast food restaurants popping up in every town we can build them in. Walmarts are being constructed by the POWs, and several homie depots are being built also. Quickie Marts, gas stations, movie theaters, bowling alleys, miniature golf courses, Disneyland, Wally World, and strip clubs are in the works. After these goals have been accomplished, Iraq and its people will be free.
Sir, David Albright of BBC.
What do you want, you little pansy-ass press boy?
Once you accomplish all your goals, in what way will the Iraqi people be free?
They'll be free to use their coupons in any designated way to purchase consumer goods.
Hello, everyone. This is Michael. I'm in Basra. I just wanted to tell everyone that I am hanging in there and that there's a very bad sandstorm, and I'm really trying really, really hard to help all of the children of Iraq. My nose! My nose fell off! Stop the camera! Stop the camera! Help me! My nose!
Moving on, BentTV has just received word that George Bush is about to make a statement from the White House.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. As you may be aware, Iraqi TV has recently aired videotape messages from Saddam. Our experts have determined these to be fake.
Yo, dawg. These imbeciles with their guided missiles can't fizzizzle with my peoples. I straight pimp the world like Don Corleone. I get blony on Chronic and my homie. All these bitches that think you know, I turn you out like a Baghdad hoe. Raise your guns in the air. Wave them like you just don't care.
And that concludes BentTV News. Join us every 4 minutes on the minute as we repeat the same news stories all day long. I'm Dirk Landau, and good day.